Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma and today we're going to talk about favorite movies.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Emma, do you like movies or are you completely obsessed with them?
Honestly, I really love movies. I can watch them for hours.
Same here, especially on weekends.
So, what kind of movies do you enjoy the most?
I love comedy movies. Funny movies help me relax.
That sounds fun.
I enjoy silly jokes and funny characters.
I like adventure movies the most.
Oh really? Adventure movies are exciting.
Exactly. They make me feel excited.
Do you watch movies every week?
Usually, yes.
Alone or with friends?
Mostly with friends.
Watching movies together feels better.
Yes. And we always eat snacks.
Oh yes, snacks are important.
Popcorn is my favorite.
Same here.
What snacks do you like?
Chips, chocolate, and soda.
That sounds like a movie night.
Okay, listeners, what snacks do you eat during movies?
Write your answer in the comments.
Emma, what was the last movie you watched?
I watched a really funny movie yesterday night.
Was it good?
Yes, I laughed a lot.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
It was about two friends on a trip.
Oh, I like movies about friendship.
Me too.
Good friendship stories feel warm and real.
Exactly.
Do you cry during sad movies?
Sometimes, yes.
Really?
Some movies are very emotional.
I understand.
What about you?
I usually do not cry, but sad movies still affect me.
That makes sense.
Emma, do you remember your favorite childhood movie?
Oh, yes. I watched it many times when I was a child.
What did you like about it?
The characters were funny, and the story was simple and beautiful.
Childhood movies feel special.
Yes, they bring back memories. Sometimes movies can remind us of different times in life. Exactly. Movies can feel emotional.
Listeners, what movie did you love as a child?
Tell us in the comments below.
Let's teach some useful English vocabulary.
Great idea.
The word actor.
An actor is a man in a movie.
Very good.
An actress is a woman in a movie.
Nice explanation.
Another useful word is scene.
A scene is one part of a movie.
Example sentence: my favorite scene was very funny.
Excellent example.
Another useful word is director.
A director controls how the movie is made.
Example sentence: the director made a great movie.
Very useful vocabulary.
Do you watch movies in English?
Yes, sometimes.
Is it difficult?
A little, but subtitles help.
Yes, subtitles are very useful.
Watching movies can improve your English.
You can learn pronunciation naturally.
Exactly, and you can learn real conversations.
Movies are fun and educational.
Do you repeat English sentences from movies?
Oh, sometimes, yes.
That is actually a great way to practice speaking.
Yes, it helps pronunciation a lot.
Let's practice a sentence together.
Okay.
What kind of movies do you like?
What kind of movies do you like?
Excellent.
Another useful sentence is, this movie was really funny.
Great everyday English.
Do you prefer old movies or new movies?
Probably new movies.
Why?
I like modern effects and better picture quality.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I enjoy some old movies too.
Really?
Yes, some old movies have amazing stories.
Good stories never get old.
Exactly.
If you are enjoying this podcast, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share this episode with your friends.
Emma, what makes a movie boring?
Maybe a slow story.
Yes, slow movies can feel long.
And bad acting can make movies boring too.
That is true.
What about too much action?
Sometimes too much action feels noisy.
Exactly. A balance is important. Good story, good acting, and good music.
Emma, do you remember your first cinema experience?
Yes, I was very excited.
Were you nervous?
A little, but mostly excited.
Same here.
I remember the huge screen.
And the loud sound.
Everything felt so big.
Exactly.
Do you still enjoy cinemas today?
Yes, but I also enjoy streaming movies at home.
Streaming is very convenient,
You can pause the movie anytime.
especially for snack breaks.
Exactly. Emma, do you ever watch movie trailers before choosing a movie?
All the time. Trailers make movies look so interesting.
Yes, a good trailer can make people excited immediately.
Sometimes trailers are even better than the movie.
That is actually true sometimes.
It feels disappointing when that happens.
Do you read movie reviews online?
Sometimes, especially before watching long movies.
A review is an opinion about something.
Example sentence. I read good reviews about this movie.
Excellent example.
Thank you.
Emma, what is the longest movie you have watched?
Maybe 3 hours long?
3 hours?
Yes, and I still enjoyed it.
That is a very long movie night.
Especially without breaks.
I need snack breaks during long movies.
Same here.
Do you prefer movies or TV series?
That is difficult. Maybe TV series.
Really? Why?
Because series give more time for the story and characters.
That makes sense.
But movies are easier to finish in one night.
Yes, one movie and done.
Exactly.
Listeners, do you prefer movies or TV series?
Tell us your answer in the comments.
Emma, have you ever watched a movie in another language?
Yes, many times actually.
Did you use subtitles?
Of course, subtitles help a lot.
Movies are a fun way to learn about different cultures, too.
Exactly. Food, language, traditions, everything.
That is one reason movies are so powerful.
They connect people around the world.
Stories are universal.
Very true.
Let's practice another useful sentence.
Okay.
This movie was better than I expected.
This movie was better than I expected.
Excellent pronunciation.
Thank you.
Expected means what you think will happen.
Example. I expected the movie to be boring.
Very useful vocabulary.
English becomes easier with practice.
Emma, do you ever watch animated movies?
Yes, I love animated movies.
They are fun for adults, too.
Exactly, not only for children.
Some animated movies have amazing stories.
And emotional moments, too.
Sometimes they even make adults cry.
Very true.
Emma, what makes a movie unforgettable?
Strong emotions.
Emotions make stories memorable.
Also, good characters.
Memorable means easy to remember.
Example sentence. That movie was very memorable.
Great example.
Thank you.
Sometimes music makes movies unforgettable too.
Oh, yes. Movie soundtracks are important.
Do you listen to movie music later?
Yes, while studying or relaxing.
Music can bring movie memories back instantly.
Exactly.
If you are enjoying this English podcast, thank you for staying with us.
You are improving your English step by step.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Practice a little every day.
Small practice creates big progress.
Exactly.
Emma, do you think watching movies alone is lonely?
Not always. Sometimes it feels peaceful.
quiet movie nights can feel relaxing.
Especially after busy days.
Movies help people rest mentally.
Yes, they help us escape stress for a while.
That is probably why movies are so popular worldwide.
I think so too.
Emma, today's conversation felt very cozy.
Yes, like talking with a friend.
And that is exactly what we want for this podcast.
Simple English, relaxed conversation, and fun learning.
Thank you everyone for listening today.
We hope this episode helped your English improve.
Keep watching movies and keep practicing English.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.